You know that feeling when summer finally taps out and the air smells like campfires, pumpkin spice, and impending rakes? Yeah, that's your garden whispering, "Hey, don't ghost me yet." In most of North America, think USDA Zones 4 through 8. The sweet spot for fall prep is late September through early November. Cool enough that plants are slowing down, but not so cold your fingers snap off while you work. Further north, aim for early fall before the first hard frost. Further south, you've got a little more wiggle room, but don't wait until Santa's already tuning up the sleigh. Why bother now? Because every bit of effort you put in while the leaves are falling pays you back in the spring. And I'm talking compound interest in carrots. Let me walk you through the moves, because your future self will be out there planting peas and thanking you for not binging Netflix instead. First, we've got the great cleanup. Imagine your garden as a party house after a wild summer bash. Spent tomato vines, diseased squash leaves, weeds doing the cha-cha. Kick them out before they settle in for the winter. Healthy debris, compost it. Anything sketchy? Trash it like that mystery Tupperware in the back of the fridge. Next, feed that tired soil. It's been hustling harder than a barista in pumpkin latte season. Spread compost, leaf mold, or aged manure so the microbes can throw a months-long dinner party underground, turning your dirt into plant buffet by spring. Then there's the cover crop move. Think of rye or clover as the garden's cozy winter sweater. It keeps the soil from eroding and adds nutrients when you turn it under next year. Plus it looks fancy, like your garden just joined a country club. While you're feeling scientific, grab a soil test kit. Fall is prime time to tweak pH because lime and sulfur are slowpokes. Adjust now, brag later when your neighbors wonder why your veggies look like they've been on a spa retreat. Perennials? Divide and conquer. Hostas, daylilies, and their rooty little friends love a good fall haircut and relocation. It's like giving them new apartments before the winter rent hike. Don't forget the mulch blanket. A thick layer keeps roots snug, moisture locked in, and weeds on the naughty list. Plus your beds stay Instagram ready all winter. No shame in garden vanity. Speaking of planting, this is garlic and spring bulb season. Get those cloves and tulip bulbs in the ground now so they can chill, literally, and burst into glory next year. Garlic planted in fall is the garden equivalent of buying crypto early. Protect the tender ones, wrap young trees, insulate roses, move containers somewhere cozy. A little TLC now beats an ugly cry in March. Before you hang up your gloves, sharpen and clean those tools. Your pruners deserve a spa day too. A little oil now saves you from cursing at rusty blades later. Finally, grab a notebook and dream big. Sketch next year's layout, plan crop rotations, and circle seed catalogs like a kid with a holiday toy guide. Planning now beats spring panic every single time. So there you have it, 10 fall moves that make spring gardening feel like cheating. Don't wait until the ground's frozen and you're out there swinging a shovel like a medieval warrior. Your garden is begging for a little autumn love, and trust me, it pays off. If you laughed, learned, or at least pictured your soil throwing a dinner party like this video, drop a comment with your favorite fall task, subscribe to Growers Tips, turn on notifications, and share this video with your fellow plant nerds. Let's help every gardener get a head start on an epic spring. Until next time, stay rooted, stay curious, and keep growing, because the best gardens start long before the first seed hits the soil.